Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to boil water. It's actually a lot more of an elaborate process than what you think. So let's go ahead and get started. Just kidding, you guys. We're going to change the oil on the good old Festiva, or as I like to call her, Oil. Well, we're ready to get going. Let's go. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure the car is warmed up so that the oil is warm and so that it flows easier and all the oil is removed, or most of it anyways. Now, prepare yourself. This is probably the sexiest car you'll ever see in your life. Organbo, baby. Organbo. What's it all about? Obviously. Alright, the car is warmed up. And so you want to shut it off because you don't want it running because it'll destroy your car. Pop the hood. We got the oil and the filter right there. You see everything here. Alright, first thing you want to do is get your tools. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just pan around a little bit. I gotta get the oil pan real quick. Just take a look at the cougar pig. I think I'm gonna stop talking now, so I'll narrate the rest in class. Oh, I was right. Got a good shot at it. You can talk, dude. Now you're probably gonna get some overshot, so. Oil's nice and warm. Just drop that in there so you don't lose it. To make it flow faster. Open this up. Open that up. While that's draining, I'll go ahead and show you. I thought you weren't going to talk. I'll just talk if I don't. I'll just mute it if I. Show you how to change the air filter on this. Huh?
Get the oil filter off.
Yeah, I know. The air filter. Just take that out. It's good old carburetor right there. Old school. I'll do that later. Next thing is to take the oil filter off. You gotta remember where this thing's at too. Do you remember where it's at, dude?
No. It's been a while.
Oh, there it is. Nah, he's probably not gonna get a shot of this because the oil filter is way down in here. As you can see, my arm can barely fit in there, so it's on the back of the engine. And I put it on there good and tight. Yeah, I put it on there good and tight last time.
Going the right way?
Yeah. This way, lefty loosey. Fuck. Alright, there we go, baby. Do the rest from up here. Still recording, right?
Yeah.
As you can hear, it sounds like water. Just taking a good old little leak. This is what the oil filter looks like. Now you want to take this one, compare it to the new one, make sure it's right. They look about right, so
Do you know the capacity?
huh?
Do you know the capacity?
No. Guess and check. I'll look it up. What you want to do here is the looks pretty close. What? Just talk. What? Oh, okay. Check to make sure the oil's still draining. Still dripping a little bit, so we'll let it stay. We'll do it back.
can plug in back.
And I'm gonna go put it in gear before it rolls me over. Yeah, it's good enough for drain. Now I got fish around. This Earl's pretty hot. Look at all the different angles. Alright. Next process. Put this. Oh, you put this back where it came from. Tighten your finger tight first, and then take your ratchet that you had out earlier. Righty-tighty. Tighten it. You don't want to tighten it too much or else you strip it out. That's good. Then you take your filter, put it back where it came from, where the other one was.